Whether you are a fresher or working professional, if you are answering your tell me about yourself in the same old way, you are getting rejected in 2026. Because recruiters nowadays are only and only interested in scanning your value in the market. And the biggest mistake I've seen professionals making nowadays is they are preparing just one answer and expecting it to work in every interview. But here's the truth. Same question can be asked by different recruiters with altogether different expectations. In today's world, there are two types of hiring manager. If you will not understand this, you will never land at the right place. Recruiter number one is evaluator recruiter. Now this person is judging your communication, clarity and confidence. They are silently thinking inside that can this person represent our company well? They will not interrupt you in between of this answer. They will let you speak for few minutes long so that they can check your communication and clarity. And the second type of recruiter, which is very important and you will meet everywhere in this 2026, that is business recruiter. They are not interested in your story. They are just interested in your skills, impact and what value you bring to the table. So they are silently thinking that how quickly you can add value or you can tell your usefulness in this organization. So if you will be giving generic answers to them, you will be getting rejected in just 15 seconds. And that's why one fixed answer that consists of your present, past and future is outdated now. So let's start with freshers first, because that's where maximum mistakes can happen. They say that I am hardworking, I am passionate, I completed my graduation from XYZ field. And the recruiters back then are thinking, so what? What should I do with that? Instead, you should switch to value-based introduction. Your answer should consist of these 4 important points. First, who you are in just one line explanation. Second, what you are good at with proof. Here you can showcase your achievements and the internships which you have completed. Third, what value exactly you bring to the table in terms of the relevant skills that is acquired with some of the experience you have. And fourth, very important, is why this role only. So you should be having clarity with all these 4 points and then only you could go to the interview room for cracking this tell me about yourself answer. I have seen candidates narrating their entire story or entire career journey, such as, remember, you are not there to tell the story. You have to learn how to position yourself in the right way. Now, for experienced candidate, if you are a working professional with few years of experience, your mistakes are altogether different. Worked for 2 years here and then 1 year there, and the recruiters at the back of their mind thinking, so what? Where's the impact? For the experienced candidate particularly, your answers should be impact driven, not your career journey. For which you can follow my powerful 4-point structure, that is first, your role plus expertise. Here you need to focus upon your last role and also what you're expert at. Second, key achievements. Now here you need to show your achievements in form of numbers or metrics, because that puts a real impact on the interviewer. Third is your core strength. Throughout your journey, what was your core strength or core skill on which you have worked with and you are expert at that. And also this could be beneficial for that role as well. So there you need to highlight this properly. And the fourth point is why switching. Now this point is very important. This can actually break or win the game for you, because I have seen candidates giving negative answers over here, such as, my last role was outdated, or my manager was not good, the company was not supportive, and anything like that. So here you need not to talk any negative thing. You should learn the art of answering this question in a right way, and for that I will also come up with some video on this. But still, you need to understand that experience cannot impress interviewers, your impact actually can. Now instead of giving you any random sample answer over here, I have added the perfect sample answers both for freshers and working professionals in my description for your reference. Now I know most of you will be using AI to get the best possible answers, but for that you should understand this fact that AI can be powerful only when you are giving the right set of prompts. So for having the right set of response, you need to learn the detailed prompting and you need to actually tell what you are expecting out of them. such as you can use this frameworks to find your answer. But at the last, you also need to humanize it. Don't sound like ChatGPT. AI should not replace you. AI should upgrade your thinking. And if you are someone who is serious to crack high-paying jobs in 2026, I also offer one-to-one personalized guidance where I help you build confidence, answer and strategy all together. So link is in the description. Go and check out, and remember, at the end, this answer is not about you. It's about value you bring to the table.